friends, it's Annette with ASCardDesign. I'm so glad you're here. I'm doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to do an unboxing. So this is what I just received. I purchased this off Amazon and I will put the link in the description below. As I am trying to grow my YouTube channel, I am getting a little bit busier, which is great. I love making cards and crafts, but I have my desk has just been taken over by notes and Post-its, and I really felt like I needed to get a better system and get organized. And I do have a small space on my wall that's kind of bare, and I thought I'll just get a dry erase board or a whiteboard and see if that works. So this is what I ended up purchasing. It was very inexpensive. It was only, at the time of this filming, which is October of 2025, it was $13.99 on Amazon. And I'm going to unbox it. I have not opened it. It is still sealed shut here with the tape. But it is a dry erase whiteboard set. And it does come in this really pretty box. If it was a gift for someone, that would be a really nice presentation. But I am going to go ahead and flip the box over because it shows you on the back what it includes. So this is a 17-inch by 13-inch dry erase whiteboard. It has a magnetic eraser, some mini magnets, some push pins with this little like a cork board at the bottom, and some dry erase markers. So I thought this was a pretty good deal. So let's commence the unboxing. So I am gonna have to take some scissors here and cut through the tape. And I'm gonna flip this around just so I can reach it better. And I hope this is everything I'm hoping it to be. It's very lightweight, so that's good, because I really didn't want anything super big and super bulky to hang on the wall. So we have everything in this package. That's nice. And here are the push pins. So I'm going to just set those aside. And then let's go ahead and flip this over and turn it. So it comes, obviously you can see it comes in the bubble wrap, and it's also wrapped in some cellophane, which is really nice. I kind of like that extra protection, keeping it from getting scratched. So let's go ahead and remove this. I really like it so far. What I really like is that it's lightweight. I really don't need something come crashing down on me when I'm trying to write on it. Okay, removing all of the plastic. So as you can see, it does have this really nice kind of a wood grain finish, like a wood frame. And it feels kind of like balsa wood. It really, I'm not sure what it's made out of, but it's pretty decent thickness. Let's see. It looks like it is, I'm going to say, a little over ½ inch thick. And that's really nice. So it has a place up here for your notes. Each day of the week, you can write your day of the week there. You know, your 3, 4, 5, etc. It does have a nice little space down here for the push pins if you want to put some Post-it notes, which I don't mind putting the Post-it notes on here. I'm just trying to get them off of my desk, and they're around my computer. They're just everywhere. All right, so let's open this and check out the markers and everything here. So we have 4 magnets, and they do stick pretty well. And then this is the eraser. We're gonna test this out. I'm gonna use a dark color so you can see. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 markers, rainbow colors. So you can see all of the colors right there. All right, and it looks like they have. Let me see if I can get one. Looks like they have a little felt tip, and I'm sure that's like an eraser as well. So let's zoom in and take a look. Whoops, wrong way. Let's just see here. So today is the 7th of October, and it is Tuesday. So let's just go ahead and put a 7 here. And I'll put unboxing video. All right. Let's put the cap back on. And let's just see. I want to see if this erases. It does. It leaves a little bit of a residue. Let me see. Okay, so if you can see, it does leave a little bit of a blue residue on there. Now let's try this eraser. This has two sides. It has a felt side and this feels like rubber. Whoops, sorry, out of shot. Feels like rubber on this side and felt on this side. So let's see. Okay, I'm not sure what the rubber side is. It's kind of sticking to the board and you can't really move it. So let's see. I'm just going to spray a little bit of water on here just to see if I can get rid of the blue. And maybe a paper towel. And that took up a little bit of the blue. Let's see if the felt side does a good job. And I think that does. I'm not going to spray any rubbing alcohol on it just because I have not read the directions and I don't know if that'll ruin the slick surface. But yeah, it got pretty clean actually with just the water and a paper towel or the little tool that came with it. So that is it. Oh, let me show you how you hang it as well. I'm going to zoom back out. I'm going to flip it over. The magnets are holding. So on the back it has these two like picture frame hangers, and I'll just hang it on my wall, get it as level as I can, and get myself organized. So, and I want to mention the markers have a magnet on them. So each one of these has a magnet. You can see they're sticking to each other. They're not very strong magnets, but they are enough to hold them onto the board, as you can see. So, you know, while it's hanging on the wall, I could just put some magnets here off to the side if I wanted, but I probably won't do that. I probably will put mine in a cup or some kind of dispenser and just have them stored that way. So I wanted to point that out to you, and the push pins, you get 6 of those. So that is it. That is the Dry-Erase Whiteboard Set. It is from, I don't see a manufacturer. It just says back to school gift, magnetic dry erase. Does it not have? Well, I'm sure it'll be on the Amazon link. I don't see it on the box, but again, the link will be in the description. It'll take you to the Amazon. I am not affiliated with this brand, or I don't have any affiliate links with Amazon. I get absolutely nothing for this. I just purchased this on my own and thought I'd unbox it here with you and give you my honest review. But I think for my purposes, which is just to keep me organized here in the craft room, it's going to work out great. Thank you for joining this quick video, this unboxing, and until we meet again, have a great week, and I'll see you next time.